In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a discount on Zoho Invoice. If you've ever wanted to make your invoices more transparent by displaying discounts, you're in the right place. Let's dive into each step to make this process smooth and straightforward. To begin, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the dashboard of Zoho Invoice. This can be done by opening your web browser and simply typing in the URL for Zoho Invoice, or if you have it bookmarked, a quick click will do. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find all your invoices nicely laid out, making it a great starting point for managing your billing tasks. Now that you're on the dashboard, your next step is to look for the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon, which is typically located in a corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a new set of options for you to explore tools and preferences that can be customized in Zoho Invoice. Once you've clicked on Settings, look for the option titled PDF Templates. This is where you'll manage how your invoices appear when they're sent out to clients as PDFs. Accessing the PDF Templates section is crucial because it allows you to ensure your invoices not only look professional, but also include all the details you want to highlight, such as discounts. Next, find the template you're using or want to edit and click on the Edit button. This will open up a detailed view where you can make modifications to the layout and content of your invoice template. It's in this edit mode where you have the opportunity to drill down into what content you want to present, including where and how discounts should be displayed. Continuing, you'll want to focus on the table section of your invoice template. This component of the invoice includes all the items listed along with their respective pricing details. Finding the table section allows you to directly edit the information displayed about each product or service. Within the table settings, now search for an option related to discounts. This may not always be immediately visible, so take your time to review the options available. Once you've located the discount option, you're on the cusp of incorporating it into your invoice template. Now, to activate the discount feature, you'll need to click on the checkbox that enables discounts. This is an important step as it highlights discounts as part of the invoice, ensuring transparency for your clients. With the checkbox ticked, discounts will now be displayed on the invoices you send out, helping you maintain clear communication about pricing with your clients. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. It's a crucial step because you wouldn't want all your hard work to vanish by navigating away accidentally. Saving your changes ensures that all the adjustments you've made are set in place and future invoices will reflect these customizations. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to display discounts on your Zoho invoice, making your billing a more transparent process for everyone involved.